morning and welcome to my Plan With Me video for my EC Hourly Life Planner. And today I'll be using this kit 1183, and we have three different sheets. We have an A, a B, and 1183C. So I'll quickly go over each of these sheets. This here is my washi icon sheet. And it comes with 2 wide 3/4 inch washies, 2 half strip washies, and then 4 coordinating 1/4 inch washies, a weekend banner, a quote box sticker, 2 flag stickers for the corners, some icons, some asterisks, some teardrops. And then for 1183B, it is my box and header sheet. So it comes with 1 check box, 4 full boxes, 3 half boxes with whited out middles, 3 coordinating half boxes, and then we have 9 header boxes with the whited out middle where you could either write in your own header or fill it in with one of these headers down here. So we have 4 to-dos, 3 to-goes, 2 homes, a to clean, a work, to call, and a next week. And then we have circle checks for you to make your own list by pulling those off and putting them underneath these headers. And then lastly, we have an add-on for the date header strips. So those be placed straight over the dates, and then of course date circles to go inside. So let's get started here. I'm going to first start off with the washi sheet, and I'll pull the, okay, sorry about that, I'm back. My card ended up being full and I thought I took care of that last week. So anyway, now we got the 2 3/4 inch washi strips up on top, and now I'll go ahead and put the date box strips, date header strips, right over the top, just a tad bit above. Sometimes I forgot to do it today, but I will most of the time put the flag after I do the date strip, and I forgot. So anyway, it goes over a little bit on that side over there, which is not too big of a deal. All right, and real quick, I'll just go through and put the dates in the circles here. All right, last one here. Okay, then I'm going to take the blue strip of washi, and go ahead and just place it on the bottom of the 3/4, right to where the 7:30 hour starts. Okay, so that's how that side's going to look up, and I need to do the same on this side. And normally I use Okay, so something like that. And then I also normally do some, put an Instagram and a Facebook icon on the side too to keep track of my Instagram and Facebook posts that I do. So this is pretty much how I will start every week off, is I kind of do a little bit of, the washi and set up my sidebar. And then, oh, you know what, one thing I didn't do yet is do a quote. So, I think I'm going to go with this guy here today. It's the little things in life. And I'll put that over that. And then what I normally do is just take a second to go through my calendar, and I'll put down any appointments, all the kids' sporting events, any school items, doctor's appointments, all those items. And then that gives me an idea of where I can make my list of to-dos, to-goes, and all those things on the rest of the week. So I'll go ahead and pause the video, and then when I come back, I will have all of my appointments in and show you how that is looking. So be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and this is now with all my appointments and the kids' schedules. I have these little volleyball stickers that are available in my shop, and those are item number 1009. The soccer balls are also in the shop, item 1008. The little footballers, 1006. I have my housekeeping keeper day sticker that's also available in my shop, and that's 1152. Other than that, all these other teardrops and asterisks, the present for somebody's birthday, those are all on the icon washi sheet that is with this kit of 1183A. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe. Below I will list all the links to my Etsy shop and to each of these kits and sticker sheets. Also to my Instagram and Facebook. So please like, and follow, and I will see you guys next week, and hope everyone has a great week. Bye-bye.